I am working on 41-year-old skin, covered in sweat, no Botox, no fillers. Just a nice shiny sweat. Gonna go in with a little bit of this. Blow it off. Seeing more evenness in my skin tone. Now to the palette, I'm using the same brush because I'm lazy. You see how that goes on beautifully? Okay, I'm gonna put a little up here, make myself look more tan than I am, and cover up that redness. A little bit on the side of the nose. This isn't a true contour, but in a pinch, you can always use it for that. Ooh, that's so pretty. You could be using all of the other, fancy tools and stuff, but I'm trying to demonstrate that this works like in a pinch. For the eyeshadows, I'm going to use my fingertips. I'm going to do just the sandstone. See, it's just a very beautifully neutral color that's going to even out the tone of my eyelids because I've got some veins and whatnot, mature skin and all. Put a little bit more on there. Why not a little bit of the almond? Can't really see it in the camera, can you? It's got like a nice shimmer to it. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'll get the other side. Okay, finally I'm coming in with a little bit of the oyster, which is a light shimmery color that's going to make my eyes pop a little bit. Look how sloppy I'm being, and it's still turning out. I'm going to do a little all over blending. I'm still sweating, by the way, guys. Honestly, this is so impressive. Hope that was helpful.